Hi, this is Matt from Smart Choice Security, and today we are fresh fitting the new exciting Igloohome Mortise 2 Smart Lock set. This comes with the smart lock and the lock case together, and we're going to fit this with our master locksmith, Theo. It's worth noting this was fresh fitted onto a door sample, so we haven't got it actually in place like a normal door, so we can't fit the strike. Using a 22mm drill, wood drill bit. Obviously this is edited footage. Which is normal for fitting any lock case. A nice sharp chisel. That's a non-handed, so you can flick the latch over to whichever side you need it to be. On the lock, the bolt goes at the top, which is unusual. It's a faceplate, and there's the strike. That's the strike. This comes in the pack, which helps us fit it. We didn't go for drilling a huge great hole in the door. It's not recommended in the UK. So we marked it. Start drilling process. Obviously we've used a template to work out where the holes are. Coming together nicely. And we've just put it on, get the lock case in. That's the electronics coming through the hole in the door, which will be plugged in on the other side. So there's two plugs going into the rear of the door, and there's the other one going through. And the front face of the lock going on. Very attractive looking. Just offering that up now. Purposeful looking smart lock. He's putting the back plate on. Apologies about the lighting. There's quite a few screws to screw in on the back plate to make it secure. That was Theo working out how to put the batteries in. We got there in the end. So 8 batteries. AAs. This was the fiddliest bit of the operation, was attaching these two wires. In fact, the first time we didn't do one of them right and it wasn't picking it up. So please be careful when you're installing the plugs. And we were just checking it again. we decided to take it out to put the spindle in. You have to put the spindle in and then put the lock on. We learnt that the hard way, which is fine. There it is. Now we're ready for it. Have the spindle in now. You can see the tail as well for the lock, for the cylinder. Nice thing is how easily this all fits together. No problems at all. Obviously the faceplate needs to go on the front of that. Again, there's quite a few screws that to pull it all together tight, which is good for security as well. And there it is in place. Great for any small hotel or Airbnb. There's a little locking handle. Privacy. There's a strike, which has got a magnet in it, which enables the auto locking. There you see the auto locking process. Here we go. I'm going to go to some live audio now from when we were installing this. We both liked the install. We thought it was an excellent lock. It's worth noting that a customer can buy an RFID tag to open as well, automatically open, which is quite handy, maybe good for offices. Got it the wrong way around. Have you? There we go. Yeah. So in the box as well, the customer has 2 stickers and 2 fobs which they can program in to use on that lock as well, and distribute as they see fit, and that comes in with the box. So this actually covers you for everything you need. You have the strike there with the magnet for the auto locking. We have 2 stainless steel strikes, 2 RFID stickers, 2 fobs, 5 emergency keys. We've got a longer spindle for the longer size doors, as the screws are as well. So it has everything you need about it, and QR codes for the customer as well to set up. And that is the Smart Choice Security install for the Igloo Smart Mortise 2 lock. Thank you very much for watching.